Hey, what's going on guys? Asad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the tabbed content. So now you're gonna say, Asad, what that means is, let me show you. In contrast, what tabbed content means is when we click about contact, it will change into the contact menu, and when you click on about, it gonna back to about. So how are we gonna do that? So for that to happen, we need HTML for both about and contact, and CSS properties one having the panel.active and only panel. So as you know before, how we set the edit and done button, this is the way same as that we're gonna do that, but just a little difference. But so the little difference is, which you can see now, is writing. So tabbed content, and then let's begin our work. So const equals document dot query selector, and it will return all the tabs. So tab, our main elements, and oh yeah, we need to name it something like tabs here. And then when we done with that, what we need to do is const panel, and then what we gonna do is document dot query selector all, and inside that what we gonna pass is dot panel. And lastly, now we need to add event on the tab, which will be add event listener, the usual way, and it would be a click event, because it's gonna click. And the function will be al. First we need to al function the event as a parameter, which is defined by e, and what it gonna do, if it gonna check if the e dot target dot what we called tag name equals to li, right? It would be const and target panel equals to document dot query selector, not all, only the query selector. And what we gonna pass, first I need to move this one, it gonna disturb me. Yeah, e dot target dot data offset. It is a property which I'm getting into later, right? So data offset, and then get the target. And when we done with that, what we gonna do is call the alley from, the same way we do this. So alley dot from, not from, yeah, and you're gonna use the panels, throw a bunch of printers more, yeah, panel, a spelling mistake, yeah, so panels, and dot for each, the function again, and panel, we gonna throw another function which is also an arrow, and it would be inside if that panel is the target panel. It gonna check that is that the target panel, right? Like this one, it will be the target panel. In that way, it gonna add active. So panel equals to target panel, which we created earlier, and then what it gonna returns is panel dot class list dot add. We're gonna add active to its class. So active, the same we do it usual, right? And now we're gonna throw a else statement, and it would be if the panel dot class list, I said class list, not dot remove the active, and done. So beautiful. If we now we need to check that, yeah, it's working. So if we see, you can see when it already selected the contact and we click, nothing gonna happen, but when we click about, it gonna change, right? And it's awesome, right? Like contact this number if you please no, we do not need help, right? And BERT is the best website. Yeah, it's the best website, right? So hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.